Goldie and I are at the Grand Portage State Park, and we're going to go check out Minnesota's tallest waterfall. It's about 121, 123 feet, something like that. And we're going to hike up this trail and check it out. So come on along with us. Not exactly sure how far the walk is up here, but they have a nice paved trail. Right, Goldie? We got some nice trails to walk on. You get tired, you can stop and take a little break on the bench. Come on, Goldie. Let's go, honey. Let's keep going. This is a spot that I've never been to before, and I'm really looking forward to it. Here's a little map of the Grand Portage State Park, where we're at, right on the Minnesota-Canadian border. Pretty cool little area. Not exactly sure where these steps go, but let's take these steps and see where it goes. That was kind of fun checking out that little bit of waterfall area there. We need to keep moving so we can get to that big waterfall. That's what we came here for. Come across this cool little bridge. This is kind of neat how they have this set up. There's the fearless leader. Well, we can either go that way or we can go up this way. I think we're going to go this way. How cool is that? It was absolutely gorgeous along Minnesota's North Shore today, checking out all the waterfalls. We had such a good time hiking around. Can't wait to do it again tomorrow. But for now, we need to make some dinner. So let's take a look at what we're going to make for dinner tonight. Tonight, we're going to be cooking in the air fryer. It's a little cool out. Excuse me. So we got a couple bratwursts in there. I got this zucchini thing I'm going to cut up. Some red radishes I'm going to cut up. I'm going to put them in a tortilla. Put all that in a tortilla and eat. And also we got to have some Cajun cheese curds. So let's get these bad boys cooking in the air fryer. Like so. And hit start. And just like that, we'll have dinner in no time. When we got to cook inside sometimes, using the air fryer does get a little cramped when they're in the Prius, but we got to cut up some vegetables, so let's get them cut up. Since we're cooking inside, we have to use my fridge as a cutting board, which is fine. It works just great. I don't mind. See, it can be a real pain in the butt, because now you're watching me as I'm cutting this up. Because otherwise, you'd have to look at this. It's not the greatest thing. That's the only bad part when car camping in the Toyota Prius. Ooh, I can hear them brats in there sizzling. And that, my friends, is how we cook in a Prius when we need to get things ready. Alright, we have our food plated. We're going to have a couple bratwursts. There's some cheese underneath there, some zucchini, and some red radishes. All made in the old hot rod Prius. And we're going to eat dinner, call it a night, watch some movies. Thank you for following along. We really appreciate it. If you guys had a good time today, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe and follow Goldie and I. She's out like a light already. She had a long day.